All right, what's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. So wholesaling is pretty easy to do. If you have a seller and you have a buyer, that's pretty much you just bringing the buyer and the seller together. I think the problem is a lot of wholesalers, once they put these properties under contract, which is easy to do, it's easy to go and put a property under contract and say you're going to purchase that property. But I think the hard part for the wholesaler, they don't have a end buyer, and they themselves cannot afford the property. And so they are entering into a contract with the seller, and then after the 30 days is up, they haven't found a buyer. And I think this is what's causing a lot of the friction and a lot of the reasons why people don't like wholesalers is because they're not honest. And if you're going to wholesale, I recommend and encourage that you be honest, move with morals, have morals, and do legit business. Because if you do legit business with wholesaling, it can be a very lucrative business if done properly and done correctly. I've wholesaled deals before, and so if it's done correctly, you can wholesale deals with real estate agents. If you work with real estate agents, you can also do wholesale deals with private owners of properties. So there's so many ways to do wholesale deals. And like I said before, it's a great business to be a part of. But I think the problem is a lot of people are not moving with ethics and morals. And so a lot of states are now making wholesaling illegal. And other states will probably follow as well. I think we have like 4 to 5 states now that are making it or have made it illegal. It has banned wholesaling, Philadelphia being one, Illinois, and I think it's a few other, Oklahoma, I think. It's a few other states that has made wholesaling illegal. And so I encourage wholesalers to get a real estate license. That way, if it is made illegal, you can still do these deals and receive a referral or receive a commission. And there is a difference between a referral and a commission. So pretty much the commission is if you participate in the sale of that property on the contract as a real estate agent, and then a referral, pretty much, you refer someone and you actually get a commission, but it's called a referral. And so I think that, a lot of times with the real estate game, you have, a few bad apples and they make it, bad for everybody. And wholesaling is one of them. Wholesaling is one of those things where you don't have to have a license to do these things, and it's pretty easy and it's pretty straightforward to do. And so if you're gonna do it, I just recommend that you do it with morals, and I also recommend you getting a real estate license. Now I think at the end, most of the times the sellers, when these wholesalers put these properties under contract, a lot of these sellers, and at the end they're not closing the deals, and the sellers are getting mad and they feel like they're being ripped off because most of the times the wholesaler goes missing and they can't get in contact with the wholesaler. Wholesalers not answering the phone. So just be aware of wholesalers, be aware of wholesaling, and be aware of real estate agents. So wholesaling is not all bad. I think that again, I think that you need to have proper morals to be able to operate as such. And so so just keep a few of these things in mind when wholesaling. It can be a great revenue for you to generate and have a great real estate business. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.